if if you see this statue of justice, you will find that it comprises of a lady who is blindfolded. Not now, okay, I know that. But let's try and understand this. It is blindfolded and it has two things. You will find that the statue holds one, जिसको scale कहते हैं, measure in one hand, and there is a sword on the other hand. ठीक है? Leave everything aside and try and understand the concept behind that blindfold. जो अब नहीं है, but ये हुआ करता था. What is that blindfold? The blindfold says that, or what it means is that when the justice is being delivered, what will not be seen is who is front of who is the individual concerned. The blindfold indicates that. The blindfold indicates that justice is blind, which means it does not see which individual or who is the one who is concerned. And it will be equally administered for everyone. It will be equally administered for everyone. So it doesn't matter who you are. And this is what I'm saying. It denies any special treatment or any special privilege. So it doesn't matter who you are. And everyone is treated equally in the eyes of the law. It may so happen that you are an individual who may be economically, socially, politically empowered. But that is not what justice sees, or in this case, that is not how law is applied. Law is applied equally for everyone. That is what the term equality before law. Equality before law. That means the law that is there, the law will be applied equally for everyone. That is what it means. है ना? And that is the reason why that blindfold was there. That was the reason why that blindfold was there. Huh. Last year, there was a new statue which was revealed. And in that statue, that blindfold was actually removed. And it was subjected to a lot of criticism also. It was subjected to a lot of criticism that when you are removing this blindfold, what does that signify? What does that mean? Yes, it may mean that the law, while it is being applied to people or against people, there may be some specific privileges that would be given to a group of individual or an individual in comparison to others. And that may be not administration of justice. It may result into administration of injustice. And that is the reason why that criticism was there, because of the removal of that blindfold. But what you need to understand is that there is a specific meaning attached to it.